Hey everyone, Brian here with Fellow. Today we have a coffee from Red Rooster Coffee. They're a small batch roaster out of Floyd, Virginia. I think you'll really enjoy this coffee if you're looking for just an incredibly sweet and aromatic cup. For us, we've tasted cherry pie, tropical fruit, honeycomb. It's just super sweet, and I think this is just a perfect fit for anyone who's looking for just sweetness everywhere. I also have our fellow tasting panelist, Hailie, with me. She'll be brewing up a cup of this Red Rooster coffee, and we'll be discussing. Her recipe is on the screen right now.
Cheers.
Cheers. So Hailie, what do you think about this coffee?
I mean, really the first thing that comes to my mind is just like round and cherry. Like first two words, and it's just like super round cherry, a little bit of an air of Queen Anne's cherries, which are like, overall really sweet.
Yeah, it's sweet. It tastes like sweet cherries to me.
Such a present body as well.
So that was Red Rooster's Costa Rican Natural. To order,
All you have to do is respond to our text to order. It's super easy. Just reply with the number of bags that you want, and we'll send you some coffee.
I want to thank Hailie for joining us this week again to try out Red Rooster Coffee's Costa Rican Natural. As always, check your text. We'll text you every single week, Tuesday, 9 a.m. Pacific. And I want to thank you again for spending the time to watch this video. We'll see you in the next one.